In this video, I'm going to show you a Facebook setting that you should turn on as soon as possible. Okay, guys, let's get started without wasting so much time. If you find value in this video, remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Okay, let's get started. Click on the Facebook application, then refresh it. Okay, then click on your profile picture. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is click on your profile name like this. Okay, then click on these three dots here. Okay, this is a Facebook profile. The next thing you want to do, click on, and before we continue, guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Okay, click on turn on professional mode, this one here, then turn it on. Okay, then click on next, then you can just leave this to public. Click on next, then confirm the settings. Okay, by turning on this setting, you will be able to earn money from your Facebook profile. Thank you, guys. Let's meet in the next video.